Alright, here's a game you can play with your dog. Tag is a good game. It's either you chasing him or him chasing you. So the better for you as the owner if you're not chasing the dog, because in situations when you're out on the street, you don't want him to think that you're playing tag again and he needs to run away from you. So I'm gonna start with the part where, hey! Yeah, he was just running away. So I'm gonna start with the part where I'm running away from him. You kind of just, you kind of want to run and hide, and he's gonna chase you. He's gonna chase you. It's better if you can hide somewhere, but he's fast. Hi, Bubba. Hey, no biting. All right, good. What we can also do is we can chase him. Let's see. Roscoe, I'm gonna chase you. I'm gonna chase you. Chase you. Woohoo! Go. Yeah, so that's much better if he doesn't want to be chased, because if your dog wants you to chase him, that's not good for recall and having him stay at your side. So we want to end the game, any kind of game, with a clear marker that the game is over. So what I'm gonna do is I'm not gonna chase him, not gonna go there. I'm gonna call him here, have him relax, grab him so he doesn't run away, and see, I'm really panting, I'm all hyped up. He is too after the game because it's fun and he's getting exercise. So we're gonna relax by giving him long, slow strokes. Okay, so first thing we call him in. Roscoe! Come on. Okay, so he's here. Come on. Hey. Come here. Alright. So we're gonna grab him. Yeah, it's okay if we grab him, especially if he doesn't stay on his own. He's very excited. And what we're gonna do is just really slowly show him that the game is over by starting to pat him from the head, between the ears, really slowly down his back. Hey, come here. So I'm gonna turn the video off for this so I can grab him and he doesn't run away. But what I'm basically gonna be doing is start patting him on the head. Okay, ignoring his attempts to play, and just really slowly, yeah, we're just gonna relax here, just really slowly. And that's where, hey, come here. It's really important for you to be in control of the situation. It's you who initiated the game. It's you who are ending the game. So at this point, I'm not allowing him to go away. He's only gonna be allowed to go when I give him the command. So we're gonna just relax here a little bit, and you can look at his expressions, his body language. See, now he's alert to different sounds. He wants to go. What I want to see is his mouth is open, which is good. It's a sign of relaxation. He's not nervous. I want him to submit to the fact that he needs to be here relaxing. So I don't want his ears to be pricked up like that. That's really good. A yawn is really good. It's him letting out that anxiety, that energy. It's a form of release of energy, and that's what we want. We want his pent-up energy to be released. So what I'm looking for is him to just relax his ears, relax his eyes a little bit. Okay, and I'm gonna let him go. Go! Yep, so that's very important when you play.